What if next? What if pizza became currency? Imagine this. You walk into a store, ready to buy a new phone, but instead of pulling out your wallet, you open a pizza box. "That'll be 2 pepperoni slices and a garlic breadstick," says the cashier. You hand over the slices, careful not to drop any cheese, and walk out with your new gadget. Welcome to a world where pizza isn't just food, it's money. Let's start with the basics. The economy. In this world, pizzas would replace cash, credit cards, and even Bitcoin. The value of your dough would depend on the toppings. A plain cheese pizza, that's your basic $1 bill. Pepperoni? More valuable, like a $10. But a pizza with truffle oil, gold flakes, and imported mozzarella, that's the equivalent of a luxury yacht. Banks would have vaults filled with pizza ovens, and inflation would literally mean your pizza rising in the oven. Shopping would be a whole new experience. Forget price tags and dollars. Everything would be listed in slices. A cup of coffee might cost half a slice of margherita, while a new car could set you back 50 supreme pizzas. And don't even think about haggling if the seller points out, your pizza's not fresh anymore. That's gonna cost you extra slices to make up for it. But what about storage? Keeping your money in a wallet would be impossible. Instead, people would carry insulated pizza bags to keep their wealth warm and fresh. Banks would have giant freezers for long-term savings, and ATMs would dispense slices instead of cash. And then there's security. Pizza theft would be a serious crime. Forget robbing banks. Criminals would target pizza delivery drivers. Police would have special pizza squads to track down stolen slices, and armored pizza trucks would patrol the streets. Meanwhile, counterfeiters would try to pass off frozen pizzas as fresh ones, leading to a black market of shady toppings. The stock market would be wild. Domino's and Pizza Hut would become the most powerful corporations in the world, with their stocks traded in slices. Investors would analyze trends like pineapple futures and pepperoni inflation. And let's not forget the chaos of pizza shortages. One bad tomato harvest, and the global economy could collapse. Even relationships would change. Forget gold rings. Proposals would involve offering your partner the most extravagant pizza you can afford. "Will you marry me?" opens box with a heart-shaped pizza covered in diamonds. Weddings would feature pizza buffets instead of cake, and divorces might involve splitting assets, slice by slice. But here's the catch. Pizza doesn't last forever. Unlike paper money, it spoils. People would have to spend their wealth quickly or risk losing it to mold. Imagine the panic of checking your savings only to find your pizza stash has turned green. On the bright side, this might encourage people to share their wealth. After all, who wouldn't want to throw a pizza party instead of letting their fortune go to waste? So, what do you think? Could you handle a world where pizza is currency, or would you end up eating your savings during a midnight snack? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deliciously absurd what-if scenarios. Who knows? Maybe next time we'll explore what happens if gravity worked only on Mondays.